Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our camshaft position sensor. Now this is going to be located right here on the front of your engine, right up top. It's fairly simple to do. We're going to use some pliers, squeeze right in the center right here and remove this. Give it a little wiggle. Every time you remove an electrical connector, make sure you inspect it. This one looks great, we'll set it aside. After that, let's move along to removing our two 10mm bolts. This one's nice and loose, I'll leave it in there a little bit. Now we're just going to go ahead and grab onto this sensor, start wiggling a little bit, and remove it from the engine. Now let's use a nice razor blade here. We're just going to carefully try to get off any of the debris in the localized area. Let's go ahead and wipe it down. Now let's just take a little bit of engine oil. We're going to go ahead and put it right along this seal here. Now we can take our sensor, slide it right into the hole here. Should slide in very easily. Take both of your mounting bolts, we'll start them in, and we can snug them up and torque them to manufacturer specifications. Once they're snug, let's go ahead and torque these to 69 inch-pounds. Go ahead and take that electrical connector, connect it in. Listen for a click, give it a tug, make sure it's secure. Okay friends, we got our camshaft position sensor installed. What's left to do now? Now you're going to go ahead and hop inside the passenger compartment, start up your car, and make sure you don't have a check engine light.